Hey there. Welcome back to the WILLED Home Life channel. Today, we have something truly amazing to show you. The WILLED motion sensor cabinet light. This little light bar is an absolute game changer when it comes to adding extra illumination to your home or workspace. First off, let me just say that this light is not only practical, but it's also incredibly stylish. With its sleek design and 60 LED lights, it's perfect for your kitchen, wardrobe, cupboard, or any other area that could use some extra brightness. But what really sets this light apart is its motion sensor feature. It's equipped with a super sensitive sensor that detects human activity in the dark and automatically turns on when needed. This means no more fumbling around in the dark looking for a light switch. The WILLED motion sensor light has got you covered. And get this, it's battery operated and rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about constantly swapping out dead batteries. Plus, with the unique LED battery display, you can easily see how much power is left, so there's no guessing involved. The versatility of this light is also worth mentioning. It comes with two modes: always on, off mode and auto mode, giving you the flexibility to choose the lighting that suits your needs. And with a 3-meter induction distance and 120 degrees induction angle, it covers a wide area, ensuring that no corner is left in the dark. Not to mention, it's energy saving too. You can choose the brightness level to maximize working time and save energy. Plus, it only takes 3 hours to fully charge, and can last up to 42 hours at 10% brightness, or 5 hours at 100% brightness. That's impressive. So, if you're tired of stumbling around in the dark, or just want to add some extra flair to your space, the WILLED motion sensor cabinet light is your answer. And the best part? It's super easy to install. Just stick it on under your counter and you're good to go. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the WILLED motion sensor cabinet light today. And say goodbye to dark corners once and for all. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing products like this.